Like all Sony smartphones, the Xperia 1.5 has a minimalistic design. The IP65 and 6.8 water resistance and Corning Gorilla Victus glass front and back ensure this phone can withstand the rigors of daily life. The display boasts 4K HDR OLED and 120Hz refresh rate. With no notches to interrupt your view on the 6.5-inch 21:9 widescreen, the Xperia 1.5 allows for real immersion. Using Bravia HDR remaster technology, the X1 for mobile engine allows for more contrast, color, and clarity, even with streaming content. The Xperia 1.5 and Bravia Core gives users the ability to stream movies in high-quality 4K. Within their library, you can choose from hundreds of the latest releases and classic blockbusters. Other features include behind the scenes with studio access and experience IMAX-enhanced titles. The Xperia 1.5's revolutionary XMA-T for mobile image sensor has an innovative 2-layer transistor pixel. The new sensor is supported by the latest computational processing to reduce noise and enhance dynamic range in low-light situations, rivaling full-frame cameras. All this lets you capture great shots even in dark locations. This phone was co-developed with the engineers behind the Alpha cameras to pack the best of Sony's industry-leading camera technology. And just as Alpha, the Xperia 1.5 offers the same AF capabilities across all its lenses. While its wide-angle 24mm lens is paired with the new sensor, the camera setup is complemented by the ultra-wide 16mm and the telephoto with true optical zoom between 85 and 125mm. Featuring improved hardware and premium audio technologies, the Xperia 1.5 gives all your music the sound quality it deserves through the speakers, whether wired or wireless. The advanced high-power speaker amplifier improves the depth of the sound, as well as the extension of low and high frequencies, producing a more dynamic and clear sound. The Xperia 1.5 is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery. Users can enjoy up to 20 hours of video playback, and you can fast charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Featuring the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform with a 35% faster CPU than the previous generation and 40% power savings, while GPU is up to 25% faster with 45% better efficiency. It also has an enhanced heat diffusion system for worry-free extended use, with approximately 60% larger heat diffusion sheet compared to its predecessor. The Sony Xperia 1.5 runs Android 13 and is available in 2 different colors, black and platinum silver. It has an internal storage of 256GB and 12GB of RAM. Pre-order the Sony Xperia 1.5 from the Clove Technology website and receive a free pair of wireless noise-cancelling headphones worth £349. This promotion is only available while stocks last.